Hey guys, hope you're doing great, and in this video I have come up with assignment number 3 solutions. I have solved only question 1 and question 2, and the optionals will be solved real soon. If you want to get notified about the solutions, do follow me on GitHub and watch the repository. So let's get started. Question number 1 is code in place filter. What we have to do here is this simple task. We have to change the red pixel value to red pixel value into 1.5. For green it's 0.7 and for blue it's 1.5. So the code will be given here. You can change it where it's written to do your code here. Then what we have done, we have defined a function named code in place, and then we have passed the image. What is image, you will ask? Image is this image that is by default. It comes by default, you see. Okay, yeah. So we'll change for pixel in image as we have done for eye in range for that kind of stuff. It's same here. For you can change it to anything, not necessarily be to pixel. You can change it to px, you can change it to abcd. It's all at your own. So pixel.red equals to pixel.red into 1.5 as it given here. So we'll just do simply and return the image. That's it. So let's submit it. Let's check if it's happening. Yes, it's passed. So finding forest flames. This is quite interesting problem. You need to find where the red color is above average, and then you have to highlight it with the red color. How will you do it? We'll first, for eye in image or pixel in image, we'll check the average of each pixels. So how will do that? Yes, you got it. Red plus green plus blue by 3. That's the simple answer. So if pixel.red is greater than or equal to average into intensity threshold, what is intensity threshold? It's given here 1.0. So float number. So if that happens, if red color is in any pixel, if red color is more than average, so it will change it to absolute red. You know, the RGB value is max less 0 to 255. So the least value is 0 and the maximum value is 255. So we will change it to we'll change it to max so that it gets highlighted. So pixel.red equal to 255, green will be 0, blue will be 0. So that will be transferred to grayscale, and the red pixels would be transferred to highlighted form. And you can delete this one also. It will run anyways, because if our image is not filled up with any red colors, then it will go to else. So in our image that is not going to happen any. See, it happens here. But why we do here? Because we need to make it to grayscale. So that is what is happening here. Let's see. You see, it turned into grayscale and the reds are highlighted. And the next solutions will be given in GitHub. So just go to GitHub and follow me. You will notified about the solutions. Thank you.